My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to explain what market research is, why it can help you level up your real estate investing game, and walk you through my simplified step-by-step guide to doing market research. Market research in real estate is the process of gathering and analyzing information about a specific real estate market to make informed decisions as a real estate investor. Whether you are looking to buy a home, invest, explore real estate opportunities, market research provides you valuable insights that can guide your choices. So here are some great reasons that you need to understand how to do market research to avoid making costly mistakes while investing in real estate. Making informed purchase decisions through market research, you can evaluate the fair market value of properties, understand price trends, and identify areas with high growth potential, which empowers you to make confident and informed decisions when buying a home or investment property. Identifying investment properties. For those interested in real estate investment, market research helps identifying promising investment opportunities. By analyzing market data, property performance, and economic indicators, you can assess the potential returns and risk associated with different investment options. Understanding local conditions. Market research provides insights into local amenities, infrastructure developments, neighborhood dynamics, and quality of life factors. This understanding helps you to choose locations that align with your lifestyle preferences and future plans, such as access to schools, transportation, healthcare, and even recreational facilities. Negotiating power. So armed with knowledge of the market, you can negotiate better deals. By understanding property values, rental rates, and market conditions, you can confidently negotiate prices, rental terms, or other aspects of real estate transaction to your advantage. Mitigating risk. Market research allows you to assess the risk associated with real estate investments. So by analyzing historical data, market trends, and local factors, you can identify potential challenges or red flags, enabling you to make more informed risk management decisions. So here is a very simplified version of the steps to conduct market research as a real estate investor. Number one, know what you want. Clearly define your investment goals and the type of properties that you're interested in. Gather local market data. So collect information about property prices, rental rates, and trends in the area. You can get this data from real estate agents, online platforms such as PropStream, there's so many others, as well as your local experts. Understand the area. You want to learn about the local population, job opportunities, amenities, and infrastructure developments that can affect the demand for real estate. Always check the rules. Research the zoning laws and regulations that apply to properties in the area to understand what you can and cannot do with your investment. You want to look at similar properties in the neighborhood. You want to study recently sold or rented properties that are similar to what you want to invest in to get an idea of market values and the rental income potential. You definitely want to connect with local experts. Network with real estate professionals who have knowledge of that particular local market. They can provide you valuable insights and help you find good investment opportunities. You want to visit properties and do your homework. Visit the potential properties, assess their condition, and perform necessary checks like inspections or title searches. And you definitely want to keep an eye on the market. Stay updated on interest rates, housing supply and demand, and economic trends that could really impact the real estate market. It's a great idea to document and track your research. So keep records of your research findings, the decisions that you made, and the outcomes to learn from your past experiences. This is going to help improve your confidence as well as your future investment strategies. Remember, the real estate market can change, so it's so important to stay informed and adjust your plans accordingly. So in summary, market research in real estate is crucial for investors as it provides essential information to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, understand market conditions, negotiate effectively, and mitigate your risk. By investing time and effort into your market research, you can enhance your chances of achieving your real estate goals while minimizing your potential pitfalls. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you would like to see in our next video. And if you are hungry to learn about how you can create financial freedom, then join me at She Can 23. It's the nation's largest event for women that are either already investing in real estate or want to learn how they can begin investing in real estate. Join thousands of women just like you and I as we shatter the glass ceiling together and make history as women, unlocking our financial security by investing in real estate. You will receive more education, motivation, inspiration, and connection at She Can 23. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Take action now and secure your tickets at shecan23.com/you2. And as always, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.